and welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would open up one of the gift sets that I got in my Revolution haul just recently. So if you haven't seen that already, I'll pop a little card up here. So go check that out later. I was really lucky. I managed to get every single item for £4. There's a bit of a pricing glitch. So today I'm sharing the eyeshadow vault, as I said. Here we go. So there's 10, well, it's not the eyeshadow vault, it's a palette vault. So there's 10 different palettes. Looks like there's a mixture of blush, correctors, highlighters and shadows. So this is kind of what's inside. So the RRP for this is £80. Currently on sale at Revolution Beauty's website for £30. And as I say, due to a little glitch, I managed to get it for £4. I just can't stop saying it. It's amazing. Right, oh, it's just sealed down. Right then, so it comes, oh, this is nice. This is beautiful. So really nice box. And there's drawers. Does it open up? No, so there's 2 different drawers in it. On the top it just says Revolution, Makeup Revolution London. I just thought, oh no, it does open. I was going to say it felt like it should open. Oh, look. Home is where your makeup stashes. Oh, that's really good. That's really good to keep your palettes in, or even just other items. I'm definitely going to keep this box for when I move to my new house. That's lovely. So let's get opening these. I aren't going to swatch them. I'm just going to open them, show you them. And I've decided from now on, whenever I swatch a palette, I'm going to use the palette as well. So if that's the sort of thing you want to see, then do subscribe and follow and stick around. So the first palette is the Redemption Palette Iconic Elements. And actually, I already have this, so I will put this in for a giveaway at some point. But yes, it's just a really nice neutral palette. A few shimmers, few mattes, so good old basics. That's good. The next palette, oh, I think I've got this one as well actually, is the Redemption Palette Iconic 3. And this is just a stunning palette. Lots of lovely sort of rosy and goldy shades, some warm shades, some cooler shades, and it's just a stunning palette. If I have got this, I'll put it in a giveaway, but I'll just start doing some random giveaways, so just keep watching for that. Make sure you're subscribed. The next one, wow, this is a bit different. Ruby again. I get the, honestly, a video, and here she comes. So this is Revaholic Eyes, and it is a Revaholic Matte Edition. Has it got a name? Or is it just the Revaholic Matte Edition? But anyway, there's some, it's like a tale of two halves, isn't it? So you've got your really nice sort of neutral palette here, and then these really bright, fun shades. So that is something totally different. I haven't got anything like this in my collection. I love the design of the actual pans. I think that's a nice looking palette, so I'm excited to try that. Next one, ooh, is the Revaholic Metallics. This is right up my alley. I absolutely love this really goldy, shimmery shades and lovely sort of rosy colours. I want to use this one straight away. That's beautiful. I love it. And I just think the packaging is just, looks gorgeous. No mirror, but it doesn't matter because you can see what's inside because we've got the clear window. So that is stunning. Oh, and I have to say, I think that normally the quality of Revolution palettes, like their shadows, are usually very, very good. And I find that the shimmers are excellent. I haven't really had many problems with any of the palettes. This last one on the top row is the Revaholic Glitter Edit. And look at that. It's so nice. So again, your goldy shades here, But then some nice sort of plummy, deeper shades here, dark greys. Some glitter in that sort of deep purple. I think, can I get in it? No, the sealed. As I say, I am going to do separate videos with swatches, and I'll do eye looks for each one of these palettes. So that's the top row. So the bottom one, we've got the drawer, and let's see what's in here. So the first thing, can I get it out? Oops, is so it's a blush palette, and it is the Peachy Bronze Goddess. So you've got some nice, it's like highlight shades, some lovely peachy tones here. Could probably do some gentle bronzing with these as well. I just think they are so lovely coming up to this time of year. So yeah, beautiful. I just can't wait to use all of these. I just feel so lucky that I've got them. Next one is the Pink and Glowing Goddess Blush Palette. So again, a couple of highlighters, and then these pinky tones here. They do look very similar, looking at them in the pan. A few subtle differences, but not a lot. That's quite sort of bubblegum pink. Looks a bit shimmery, but we'll see what they're like. Next thing.
Set up any home kit accessories. You can connect smart device.
Ooh. Siri's talking to me about something, I'm not sure what. So next is the Ultra Strobe Balm Palette. Ooh. Look at those. I just feel like this needs to have the lid open. Yeah, that one. Seriously, they're so iridescent. I don't think you can pick it up, but can you see how they're shifting colour? Ooh. Now this, I have never tried any strobe balms, so I'm quite keen to give it a go. Let you know what they're like. I'm going to be busy with videos. Next thing is the Ultra Strobe and Light Palette. Ooh. So this looks like these are powders. The last one was creams. These are powders. So it looks a nice mixture of colours there. I'm just like, there's so many products here, like sort of types of products I've never tried before. So I'm really keen to have a go. And then this one is the Iconic Lights and Contour Pro. So this looks like it'd be a really, really useful palette. And again, I don't really contour. I'm so rubbish. So this will probably get me into it. I can, it looks like there's a good range of shades and different highlighters as well. So yeah, there we go. So that is all of your palettes. So as I say, we've got, where are we here? So we've got the 5 face palettes. There, sort of mixture of contours, highlighters, blushes, strobes, and then the 5 eyeshadow palettes. And it's just, these are just, oh, I can't wait to use them. So these two, as I say, I'll probably be putting into a giveaway, maybe separate giveaways. So keep watching, and you never know, there might be a little giveaway going on. And yeah, that's it. So if there's any of those you'd like to see first, do let me know. Leave me a comment down below. Give me a thumbs up if you like these types of videos, and if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and head over to a giveaway. Nearly at 700 followers now, so once I'm there, I'll be drawing the winner. So good luck, thanks for following me, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you all later. Bye.